I'm like, that guy, he's building cars that we need. He should be feeding his family. He should be having kids.
What are you pulling over for?
Right.
Fucking idiots! What did you pull over for?
Working for a company where they produce nothing
You
about
soul.
the rewards of the system.
Have milder symptoms, recover faster, and be less likely to end up in hospital. Get vaccinated. Get winter strong.
Everyone's favourite roundabout. Watch it, idiot.
Protective products you don't need. They talk, as you referenced there, Mike, of removing 99.99% of asbestos from drinking water, which immediately makes the...
Really?
What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm here training.
Train him in.
Yeah.
Into...
Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh,
I'm sorry.
shit.
Ow. She did not look. Clink.
You go in. Come round again.
Wanker.
What's he doing?
Just give him space. Bring him back to water. The point of that overtake was?
I don't know, what was the point of that?
Why were you in that dickhead?
No, I think he did that because I accelerated. Oh, for
It is a dickhead. Okay, which one?
take a guess.
Nice smooth move, my guy. All that to sit at red lights.
Something.
Oh!
Why can't people just idiots?
Why are you braking? It's a 40 zone. There's nothing in front of you. There is nothing in front of you.
And then down here we've nothing around here. Oh dear. Oh, it is 2 hours in.
Oh dear. Margaret was completely baffled by this behaviour.
How the f hit that curve then?
I'm looking for something.
Complete the calls for these things.
Right through a red light, yeah, I've got him. He wants speed bumps.
Oh, crash.
Oops.
Yeah, it was after
At the roundabout, turn right.
View of this. Adventure. Roxy's back.
The food industry that was deciding how can we make everyone addicted. It was much more of a corn industry. How do we get rid of all of this corn and carry on getting subsidies, or at least part of it? Yeah, no, that's a really great point. And processed food.
If I got it, I don't spend it. And if I haven't got it, I make. Should you be smoking in a work vehicle? Who needs indicators? In fact, yours have fell off. Definitely faulty indicators. Well, the car in front of this Audi, turning right in the indicators. No. Well, the Audis work. Fair play.
We'll have a little bit of peace and quiet here at Thorsby Park when we will be turning the microphones off. So we'll be... Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for making this our best attended class of the day.
Beautiful old Ferrari.
The judge's decision is in. In second place,
Okay, classic Ford fans. Couple of tidy RS2000s. Twin 45 carbs, I believe. Doesn't get much more classic than this. Classic E-Type. How many of these do you see on the road? A Lotus Talbot Sunbeam. Of course, it's a Grinnell.
Yeah. There's a crossing right there, but don't you worry, love. You're too important and entitled to walk a few extra yards. State of it.